Welcome. In this video we will try to create a C language file, and then we will test our environment by compiling that C language file and make sure that there are no errors, and also we will try to execute that program to make sure it runs. So that will testify that our environment is good to go. And if you have any problems creating, compiling and executing, please let me know as soon as you can. But it is very important for you to use our system and have your environment tested. Okay, so the very first program we will plan to create is just a test.c, or let's say the editor we will use at this moment is Nano. It's an editor and it's very user friendly, and you can quickly create programs, text files using Nano. And we will call our first program could be hello.c. Okay, all C programs should have a .c extension, so we have done that. So we are going to I'm going to hit enter. So as soon as I do that, it shows up this screen, and with this screen what you have to do is start writing your program, and we will try to save it and exit out of it. Okay, so the very first line in all C language files should contain in that line slash include hash include, and then the standard io.h file within this less than sign and that greater than sign. Okay, then the next line should be contain main program function, where the CPU will always start executing files starting from the main function. So we will just print a simple hello students. We will try to learn all these things as we go. For now we are just trying to test our environment. So what I've done here is to create a main function, and there's a simple statement to print it out, printf hello students, and this stands for end of line \n. So we will learn all that as we go. So now that we have created a simple program in C language, we need to save that file. So the way to save that file is Control O for orange. So I'll do that. It will prompt you to save it. File name to write is hello.c. I'm going to hit enter. We are done with that, and it says wrote 8 lines to the file. So we need to exit out of this program. The command for that is Control X. So I'm done with that. So we are able to create that file. Next step is to compile. So GCC is the tool. Yeah, you need to remember this now. GCC stands for GNU C compiler. Okay, what it does is it takes a C language file that you pass, so GCC hello.c, and if you hit enter, normally I should have some warnings, some errors in the compilation process. If not, you're set to go. So in this case we wrote a simple program. It gave us an error. It didn't give us any error. So the way to run this program is ./a.out. GCC tool, the program, when it takes a source code file, which in this case hello.c, and it compiles and it always saves the file, the executable file, as a.out. This is by tradition. This is been the tradition for last 3 to 4 decades, and So you just try to follow that. So a dot out, as soon as you hit enter, it will say hello students. This is what we wrote in the program to print. Okay, so this testifies this our environment that is set to go, and we are actually ready to write more programs. So what I'll go ahead and show you, we'll go back to the nano file. I'm using the up arrow, down arrow to go over the commands here. It's nano hello.c, and here if you see, I'm just going to take out the semicolon. When we remove that, what happens is I'm going to save that file, exit. Okay, we got that. So I'm going to compile, right? Okay, this time it gave us an error. It says error expected semicolon before the braces. So we need to go back and fix that error. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and put it. So again, go and write it, Control O, Control X to exit, then compile. It's all is good. So you can go back and execute it. You got it. So that's the way to fix it. Fix any problems we may encounter in our course. So that is the end of this video, just to show you how to create a file, compile a file, and execute. Okay, and make sure you do these 3 steps, and if you encounter any problems, give me an email, buzz me, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.